Come on, Jenny. Come on. Oh, all this snow. Damn. Is that right, my little puppy? Jenny, my girl. Okay, she's taking a pee. Let's just see if she goes number 2. I had to walk her all the way out to the parking lot. It's a parking lot party. Let's take a dump. Take a poop, yeah. Come on, Jenny. Jenny, what the heck are you doing? Come on. Jenny, it's freaking freezing outside. Jenny, Jenny, girl, I'm not gonna spend hours and hours. Come on. Jenny, come on. There's literally nothing out here. Why are you sniffing around like, Jenny, come on. Great, all the hard work I did is gonna be ruined. Oh well, whatever, it's just snow, it's gonna go away. Jenny, come on. Jenny, come on, let's go this other way, come on. If you don't wanna use the bathroom, come on. Oh, damn. She's like, Daddy, I need to go inside. I need to go inside. It is cold. Is that right, my little puppy? Is that right, my little Jenny? It's cold, and I don't want any out of my fur.